next week.
You make a mention before the second bail application.
Second time, Lordship.
So you mention it before the race. They will get it.
Lordship, one bail application. Only one bail application.
I know it is the second bail application. You file it, it will come before the court.
Your Lordship has fixed then after 4 weeks, and tomorrow will complete 4 weeks, Lordship. Then I am praying for on 14th of August.
14th August. 14th. Have it in the week after that. So have it on 16th.
Lordship, Mr. NNV Sotri is leading this case, and he will be convenient on 14th of August. That's
No, it is not convenient for this court. Tell him. Let it be on 16th.
Lordship.
16th August.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, Senior Counsel Mr. K. N. Chaudhary is supposed to appear. He is a personal difficulty today, Lordship. So any date may be given subject to continuous or
Review
not.
petition. You are appearing for whom? For the respondent.
Respondent caveat or not.
Caveat. You filed a caveat. Caveat है. There is no caveat.
Yes, Lordship. Mostly reflected in caveat here.
Mr.
S. A. Borbuya.
ऐसे और भी counsel appearing for the respondent on caveat. Caveat. Yes. Mr. Doctor, filing a review.
Well,
On what grounds?
very short point, my lord.
Yes.
I'll take your lordships to page 44, my lord. The last 3 lines.
Yeah.
There is no material placed before the court to show that, along with the petitioner, there are other officers or employees of the bank who have also been proceeded with and or imposed with penalty. Now, my lord, during the course of argument, my lord, your lordship directed me to produce the record of the bank. And my lord, in order to show that whether another person, the manager, whether disciplinary proceeding was on against him, my lord, we have shown from the records that the disciplinary proceeding was against him also. He was punished. Even the petitioner themselves, in their petition, they have stated in their paragraph 23. So that is the only point which, my lord, we wanted to canvass
On fact.
on facts.
So we'll treat this review petition to be a clarificatory.
Yes, it's in fact is a clarificatory in nature.
Lordship, I am not engaged in this case, Your Lordship. So, the Senior Counsel Mr. K. N. Chaudhary will appear in this case, Lordship. Any date, Lordship.
All right, we'll have it on 16th.
All right. Yes.
There also has not and Mr. Monia finished. Review and by review of the order taken. Was the repetition allowed? Was allowed?
No, the punishment was reduced down from the removal
The
to
petition was disposed of in terms of the direction that they take. There are account that there is a actual error is apparent. There is an error, there is a finding by this. Let us take up that is observation of finding by the court incorrect as the same is contrary to finding contrary to the facts as available.
Yeah.
That there are other officers who have been proceeded against them. Only to that extent. Seeking right. You'll have to produce the record.
Record is with me.
Substance the records are available in the court, available in the council, and they can be placed before the court for the legal. Mr. Borgia on the other end of that is led by Mr. K. And he therefore submits the matter.
Obliged.
Deep lovely Lord.
May please, your lordship. My lord, here in this case, my lord, this petition has been filed by the petitioner alleging that public road land as well as his personal land has been occupied in carrying out some construction.
No, no, what is your item?
Sorry, my lord, not mine.
Item number 2,
Yes.
the reply was to be filed by the.
Does anything survive now? It appears to be a live issue now.
Well, that is what, there is no contact also, but I cannot say infructuous nowadays, my lord, because there may be a lot of problems. The only thing, my lord,
What reply? Have you filed a reply?
Lordship.
Then
Need some time to file that.
file it and we close the matter.
Yes, sir.
I don't think anything survives.
my lord is also, I also
Your
think.
grievance is that these were, some area was given for construction of tea factory.
More factories where my production limit was increased. There is a shortage of green leaf for which I cannot go to that extent what was given to me for production of tea. And for that reason, my factory may be closed. Now, in the alternative, they are increasing number of more factories where shortage of green leaves are there.
So essentially, it is a case of being affected. The competition has affected your.
Not only competition, because as a whole, they have to take into consideration the number of leaves and other which are available for production of tea. If until unless I meet my, that is what I.
Is there any requirement under the tea board or tea certificate?
There are some requirements that I have to fulfill my quota. If I cannot fulfill my quota, then it becomes difficult.
How much time would you require? CGC.
Lordship, you are impairing correspondent 4, 5, 6, and 7.
4, 5.
6 and 7. On behalf of Mr. Alvin.
Keyboard.
Keyboard, Lord.
Keyboard
Keyboard.
submits that their affidavit that they were under time. The red polita or
12.
3.
12.
Anyone for the union? You're also for
Lordship.
the union.
Yes, Lordship.
Appeal 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Polita. Let the affidavit. It's for the thereafter. Let's have we on a date.
Well,
Highly of.
Yes.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, the petitioner approves this whole court against the inaction of the authority. My lord, the response number 3 and 4, we are carrying out some construction covering the public road belongs to municipal road and some portion of the land of the petitioner also. There has been a complaint, my lord, with endorsement of the ward commissioner, and ward commissioner supported that he has enclosed the response number 3 and 4 has enclosed in carrying out construction. But in this case, my lord, the response number 3 and 4 file affidavit. Deputy commissioner also file affidavit. Lordship, may kindly have a look at the affidavit of the deputy commissioner filed on 19/1/2022. Para 4 and 5, my lord.
Filed by SDO Sabra.
Yes, dear sir, on behalf of the deputy commissioner. Welcome. May I read out, my lord, para 4?
Yes.
That the deponent begs to state that as per report file number dated 9/12/2021 of Executive Officer Goalpara Municipal Board, it is seen that no permission has been issued from Goalpara Municipal Board in favor of response number 3 and 4 for construction of boundary wall. Then, my lord, para 5, that the deponent begs to state that in the report submitted by the circle officer Balijana Revenue Circle by number so and so dated so and so, it is mentioned that as per land record, response number 3 and 4 have mutation in land measuring 0 biga 0 katha 11 lessa of dag number 112 and 0 biga 0 katha 2 lessa of dag number 117 of revenue village Gualtuli Bamunpara, but have the possession over the part of dag number 117 with a dwelling accessibility. In dag number 117, they have only 2 lesser land, but they have the RCC building on the land. This indicates, my lord, they have violated all norms and without permission, as appeared in the affidavit. They have carried out construction without permission of the Goalpara Municipal Board. Then, my lord, this statement has been made based on 2 annexers. Annexer at page 5. Then, my lord,
Now, this building, part of the building is on your land.
on the they have in addition of the building, they have also carried out
Boundary wall.
boundary wall that covered the municipal road land and my land. So, my lord, the deputy commissioner may take up the case under, my lord, 133 CRPC provision and remove the illegal construction. My lord.
What is the provision under?
Under, my lord, under the previous new act, my lord. Yes, my lord, 133, it will be. It will be, my lord, 152. 133 substituted by 152. Conditional order for removal of nuisance.
Please read.
My lord, 152. Conditional order for removal of nuisance. Whenever a district magistrate or a sub-divisional magistrate or any other executive magistrate specially empowered in this behalf by the state government on receiving the report of a police officer or other information and on taking such evidence, if any, as he thinks fit, considers that any unlawful obstruction or nuisance should be removed from any public place or from any way, river or channel which is or may be lawfully used by the public, or that the conduct.
Is it causing obstruction?
Yes, my lord, they are occupying the land, my lord, occupying the public road.
The power to remove is for removal of obstruction, what do we say?
Nuisance, this is occupying the land is also at least nuisance, my lord.
Goes from the provision of the act.
My lord.
You have to show that it falls within the definition of nuisance or obstruction.
My lord,
See, boundary dispute and nuisance and obstruction are not one and the same. Supposing you have a plot of land and they have created something unauthorizedly causing obstruction of entry or exit into your land, then perhaps some order can be passed. But if it is a boundary dispute, so what provision will be passed?
my lord, there are other provisions, my lord.
So,
See, my lord, see that the construction of any buildings or the disposal of any substance as is likely to occasion conflagration or explosion should be prevented or stopped. That any building, tent or structure or any tree is such a condition that it is likely to fall or thereby cause injury to persons living or carrying on business
so
or neighborhood.
primarily for obstruction, nuisance,
My lord, yes, that covers, my lord,
how will it happen?
that
It is a case of boundary dispute. Civil matter, you go and fight for
my lord, the revenue authority also can register a boundary case and make a demarcation. That
But-
can also be,
refer to the provision that tell us,
my lord.
refer to the provision.
My lord, I will show, my lord. I may be given 2 days time. I'll show. There is a provision.
But take
One.
it, get it.
One to four.
Huh?
One and two, Lord.
Show me here, so
3 and 4, Lordship.
it's taken.
When they have a application before concern municipal board.
Yes.
They did not submit any application before.
We have submitted application before the.
Only for the deputy commissioner, they have submitted.
I think.
It is for under the concern that municipal board. They have to sort of if they have filed any application before them. It is not done.
My lord, after week, my lord, will.
Oblige, your Lordship.
Wait, please, your lordship. I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Rakesh Dubey. He is in bereavement, lordship. Kindly fix the matter after 15, lordship.
MS
AB Kayas.
B?
Kayas.
Kayas. Break. I think
No, Lordship, health, I'm appearing for health. Health department.
Yes.
Oh, Lordship.
for food safety,
Lordship, here I'll appear for food safety also.
is wrong.
Last one.
Pleasure. So, both the matter, my lord, the controversial matter, my lord, no applicability in a position has yet been filed, my lord. But my lord, my difficulty is, my lord, I prayed for allow me to temporary vita, a temporary house for running my business. Petitioners are petty businessmen, my lord. Since 1991, 92, they have been possessing the vitas, my lord, paying due taxes and revenues, my lord. Till date, they are paying revenues, my lord. And uh, in the year of 2014, notice has been, 2009, an eviction notice has been issued, my lord. But the authority not acted upon it, my lord. In the year of 2014, my lord, they forced to vacate the land, my lord. Petitioner come before your lordship, my lord. Kindly see this honorable court, right, order dated 36/8/2019, my lord. Pass an order, my lord, relevant portion, my lord. Page 35.
35.
Yes. My lord, can you see fourth paragraph, last. Under such circumstances, it is clear that the petitioners are maintaining their position, abiding by the terms and conditions of the license. Accordingly, thus being the position, in my opinion, this petition can be disposed of, which I accordingly do, with the direction to the petitioner to continue their possession, but without violating the terms and condition of the license. However, the event the Panchayat undertakes to carry out construction of the market complex in the near future over the said land under the possession of the petitioner. Necessary preference must be given for allotment of the shop premises to the petitioner, subject to fulfillment of other terms and conditions which may require acceptance. 11 time. My lord.
This petition was filed by you.
Yes, my lord. My lord, during pendency, my lord, my shop, the shop were constructed in accordance with permission and other formalities, my lord. Fulfilling of other formalities, the shop were gutted. Then, my lord, we approached before the authority to allow us to construct our temporary stage, but they did not allow. We also approached the deputy commissioner, my lord, and we see that page. My lord, can you see page 36, my lord? The police report regarding my lord.
Yes.
My lord. Please submit a report, my lord. And my lord, then we approached the deputy commissioner, page 38, my lord. Allow us to construct, my lord, the temporary house, but they did not allow. Having no other alternative, my lord, we approach before your lordship, my lord, Prince, my lord.
You already have an order
My lord.
Whereby you are directed to continue the possession.
Yes, my lord. This honorable court passed. We are in possession. We paying my lord revenues also, my lord. But we could not carry my business, our business, my lord, because of no shed is there, my lord. Only.
Who built the earlier shed?
Petitioner's bill. With due permission from the authority, my lord. My lord, kindly see, here is some order, my lord. They choose some person and allowed them to build a house, my lord. Kindly see, page 40, my lord. Order for construction of shop house, Vitas, number so and so. And my lord, kindly see, 2017 also, they allow some unauthorized person, my lord. And my lord, kindly see page 44. Deputy, they submitted a representation before the Deputy Commissioner regarding the illegal construction allowed by the authority, my lord. But here my lord, here again, my lord, kindly see the page 26, my lord. The subdivisional officer, my lord, the executive officer, my lord, Binakandi Anchalik Panchayat, my lord, submitted a report, my lord. The list of the name of the persons in having allotted in Upjarani market Mahakuma Parishad. Respectfully beg to state that the list of valid vita holders in Upjarani market is given below. My lord, kindly see here, serial number 5 is the petition number 3 in this petition, my lord.
I responded, but there is an order of the court.
My lord,
There is already an order of the court.
my lord, there is an order of the court
Yeah.
and he's still in possession. However, my lord, the limited instructions that we need from the department is whether the license period, the license of allotment that was granted to him still subsists or has it expired or not?
Yes,
Because
sir.
he has, that he has not
Yes,
annexed.
my lord, kindly see, license mean they yearly taking the revenues, my lord. My lord, kindly see for instance, my lord, one. Twenty 24-25.
You have paid the amount for what purpose?
For the Vitas, my lord. It's a revenue, my lord, yearly.
The party to the
Well, let me find
My
the
lord, kindly
affidavit.
see page 16, my lord. Bazar Veti Avantam. In 1991, the
Conditions.
So what is your grievance now?
only to
If you are in,
construct,
if you are in possession,
yes, my lord, only to construct temporarily, my lord. Construct my one house, my lord, there. Run my business, my lord. We are petty businessmen, my lord. Somebody sell fruit, somebody sell vegetables, like that. We are petty businessmen. This rainy season, they could not run their business, my lord.
Well, the condition itself says no permanent construction will be made on the allotted plot without permission of the Mahakuma Parishad. Let me get it is at page 15, my lord. The
Page?
condition, page
Yes,
15,
yes.
1-5.
No
row box.
permanent. Temporary.
So let me get the instructions, my lord. I'll file a detailed affidavit as to what does the petitioner actually propose to do. And
no, first thing is that there is a finding
yes, he's in possession, my lord. His possession.
by a court that they are in possession.
However,
They should be allowed to carry out construction of the market. Sorry, they should be allowed to continue without violating terms and conditions of the license.
whether that license subsists or not, my lord, let me
It appears to be they paid some fee here.
my lord, let me file an affidavit, get the instruction. My lord.
My lord,
2 weeks time may be granted.
So what affidavit will you file?
As to
We are disposing it of, directing the who is supposed to look into commissioner.
Commissioner.
make an inquiry in terms of the earlier order, that if their license subsists and they're paying a fee and they're in possession, they should be allowed to carry by constructing whatever temporary shed.
Well, let the Anchalik Panchayat take a call on it because the condition of the license clearly states at page 15. Malad.
Yes, actually, contract is also.
Conditions. One of the conditions mentioned in the license.
Notice has also been issued to them, my lord.
They are not appearing.
They are not appearing.
So one of the conditions is no permanent construction will be made on the allotted plot without permission of the Mahakama Parishad. Let them file an representative.
Who is for the chief executive officer?
Well, the department, TNRD department. TNRD department. So let him file an application before the commissioner, representation stating vis-a-vis the construction of his shed.
See, there is already an order of the court.
Well, his possession is not challenged.
So what for is the position if it's not allowed to operate?
Well, what he wants.
See, there is an order of the court.
There is
no appeal or review sought for by the department.
Well,
Order stand to the extent that their license subsists. So if their license subsists, nothing more is to be looked into. There is a finding that they are in possession. They should be allowed to carry on. To allow them to carry on.
Well, they are not challenging that aspect. The only relief they want from this court is that they be allowed to construct a shed on their piece of land. So that construction part, so let them file a representation because the condition in the license clearly stipulates that no permanent construction will be made on the allotted
We'll
plot.
make it clear that it shall be a temporary construction.
Temporary.
Temporary.
To allow them to carry out.
And well, there is one more aspect in this order, last 5 lines in the order. It states, however, in the event the panchayat undertakes to carry out construction of the market complex in the future over the said land under the possession of the petitioners, necessary preference must be given for allotment of the shop premises to the petitioners, subject to fulfillment of other terms and conditions which may require acceptance at that relevant time imposed by the Anchalik Panchayat. So there's a complex also that is proposed in that particular area where his market is located. That observation has been made, Millard, by the learned coordinate bench. So if tomorrow a market is constructed, he may anyways get evicted, and that period of time he may be given the first preference to set up a shop. So this is also a conditional.
Another aspect, my lord.
The last 5 lines.
If any
that is why the department is concerned. If he constructs a permanent structure, it will be difficult again to evict him.
I am not.
The last 5 lines, Millard.
I am not paying for permanent construction, my lord.
Number 5, the first line, the market is located in our country. So far, my instruction is concerned. So for the position of the marketing is there. So the fact here is that actually they are trying to construct some permanent construction.
No.
And the council could have specify there is some condition in the license that the permanent construction cannot be made. They are during pendency of the case, they have tried in the midnight, they have tried to construct some permanent construction.
What is the temporary?
This is a temporary state with the bamboo state. Marketing temporary.
If they put, they make it permanent. So bamboo, if they use wood.
No. They are brick, cement, they are trying to make concrete. In permanent construction, and the other term, the president of the laws and
the new complex constructed.
New complex has not been constructed. Perhaps the discussion is going on. Construct permanent set. It is brick and concrete. No, that will be created by the department, not by it. Thereafter, that will be allocated to that. The discussion is going on.
Temporary set.
Temporary set, they are already in position.
They are in position, but they are taking that temporary.
Yes, my lord.
No, already sets are there. They are in position.
They are not there.
There are so many disputed questions of fact.
Land is there.
Let
Vita
me serve.
is there.
And
Vita is there.
one that administrative practice, so far there is no specific provision I have gone through. After discussion with the officials of the Panchayat department, so but it's one of the allotment of the state that is very particularly for 1 year.
One settlement period is 1 year,
Settlement
license
is 1
period.
year. Still, my lord, that very recently some settlement has been made. That is only for my lord, 1
There
year.
is an order of the court.
No, well, court is only saying that my lord, that they are in court is not restricting my lord, this government intention construct any said they are in. But preference is
You read the order and tell me what you understand. Read the
the
order at
government
page
is, my lord,
35.
the honorable court is saying that if any.
Well, it states continue their possession, but without violating the terms and conditions of the license.
Yes,
If the license period has already expired,
That
Nalin,
is the end of it.
that's the end of it. So let us verify whether
You don't have the instructions today since 2019. What
let me file an affidavit. Let me get the
affidavit do you want? It's only a question of whether this
Shared.
order has been carried out or not. There before this court saying that in spite of this order, they not carry on.
My lord,
Let's say we are imposing it out in the direction. That is done since there is already an order. They should be able to carry out their
Business.
activity from that position.
absolutely.
And for that purpose, if they require any temporary sheds, they should be allowed to do it, but no permanent construction. And in the event any permanent construction is carried on, then the direction
Yes,
is
my lord,
ordered.
will follow.
And this, uh,
It is contingent to the
this is subject to the license being held.
Yeah, yeah. That of
yes.
Mr. Rakesh,
My lord. My lord,
that's all we can give you.
yes, my lord.
That is what you want,
Temporary said, my lord, will.
subject to the license being held.
Yes, yes.
Subject-
License, but till 25, my lord, license.
And my lord,
They are issuing in every year.
and my lord, also subject to the findings made by the coordinate bench in the last 5 lines. And however, in case if a permanent market complex is
Yes,
created,
we will vacate.
we will have to
We will
vacate. We'll vacate
There
them.
is a permanent market complex,
We'll vacate and
then
you are also bound to.
they are required to be given a preference.
Preference.
Yes.
That time he can't protest that
No,
he should
no.
not be vacated or he should not be
Is there
evicted.
Yes, sir, because
There's always a possibility.
This order is operating, this order operates against him also.
Yes.
He's not filed a review or anything. Heard. Oh. Uh, I pay revenue. It's submitted. That's really the predecessors of the the enforcement, the allotment of the petitioner made temporary arrangement by creating some shed or temporary construction, temporary for carrying out the right. That the license and the present license subsequently 30/25. In spite of noted that and in spite of license paid by license, they are not allowed to carry. They are prevented from carrying on their business. So the Panchayat. Who is preventing you? Panchayat authority.
Panchayat and Anchalik Panchayat.
Actually, Panchayat, Gaon Panchayat prevented them from erecting shed on the effect that permanent structure today for a lot of traders like that. This dispute had very deeply erected and in some time past, and they agreed they had earlier by fighting the number 548 stop by High Court 26 today state order third and the order by the petitioner have not been effectively permitted to carry out or the Panchayat authority have prevented them from action of the absence of it, the its benefits are able to carry out their business. What business do you run?
The different businesses, my lord. There are so many petitioner, my lord.
No.
Somebody,
What is the nature of it?
the daily market, my lord, like my lord, our Pujan Bazaar market, some
So you are selling vegetables.
vegetables, my lord, somebody foods, somebody,
Petitioners carry out,
some
petitioners are very carry their business for
different business.
trading and vegetables, other necessary items of that, of those that market, check, share, carry out, and not necessarily like like it does not the action of the that
Hello.
or
That's 105.
by or
This one number 2.
if that by by the there the eating the middle present with the prayer. Allow the structure from their restricted because and to allow them prayer number 1, page number 11,
Prayer number 1, my lord.
Roman 1.
And appropriate to declare the impugned action.
What is that impact?
Impugned action, they are not allowing us to do construction.
And they're allowing somebody else to do it.
Yes,
Where is that?
yes, my lord, can you see? Page. We also submitted representation before the deputy commissioner for illegally allowing others. My lord, kindly see. 44, my lord.
The learned petitioner corrected that while the petitioners have implemented
And even allowing permanent construction, my lord, they are, my lord, illegally.
the- there are others businessmen who have been permitted
We have not been allotted any vitas, my lord, earlier. My lord.
to not be allotted because page number
My lord, 44, my lord. And
and have been permitted to construct or have constructed permanent have erected permanent construction with the knowledge and sanction of the petitioner limited prayer that other since they are paying the license fee and are not they should be permitted by erection in order to enable them, in order to facilitate that upon hearing the count that in several of the and also considering prayer in the petition together with the ordinate path that that in view of the order dated 6/8/2019, it's evident that and they were permitted to carry on this business subject to permanent license. It was also directed that even the panchayat undertakes that the market complex the near future state that under the necessary preparation for allotment shop rent subject to fulfillment of other terms required acceptance at that relevant point in time. View of such categorical finding by ordinate bench is evident that it is clear that the petitioner have been found to enter the land and they ought to be allowed to carry on it subject to the terms and the license which claim still subject to the 30th support of the payment of the license that the license is still subject to photocopy of seats issued by the Secretary Bina Kanti showing amount of 1200 for the period between 24 like they submit the receipt, the license fee recovered from the what is also noticed from the order passed by the voted bank that when the child desires to undertake construction or permanent construction, then preference should be given and the council for the Town Panchayat, order number 5. That at present there is no permanent construction. Right. The such circumstance, there is no discernible reason as to why the petitioner are prevented from carrying out their business by carrying on their business as have been permitted by the school board and as is required to be permitted from their life. Since the earlier order dated 2018 finally, the school does inform the petitioner with the direction respondent or more particularly the respondent number 5 I don't know how this life period 25
Issued by executive officer, Pinagani Ansulis Panchayat.
the secretary,
He's a secretary.
not elected member. Elected members tenure attended. They don't collect taxes. They have the policy.
Yes, my lord.
Order
Issued by the executive officer, my lord. He,
this matter is like here for year.
executive officer, my lord, remained till the end of the,
Elected members. You are not posted with instructions as who is in charge.
Well, right now the charge is with the DT.
no, it's a wrong subject.
There's an order
No,
that has
no,
been passed
wrong
by the
subject.
governor. It is that after 2020, power to monitor.
Wait, here is the middle of accordingly, it's directed that respondent number 1, second week, rural development will examine the matter. The light of the earlier order dated past vis-a-vis the claim and taking into account the claims of the petitioner as well as the license stated to have been issued by the petitioner it's stated successfully and if it's found that their claims are and if it's found that they are still in possession in terms of the license issued by the court number, they shall not only be permitted to carry out their business from the state as allotted, but will also be permitted to take such temporary check to the minimum
To the minimum.
as would be necessary for them
Them,
to carry out
like the,
business,
like others.
carry out the business effectively. Stop. Needless to say, in the event the panchayat and in the event any of the respondents desire to construct permanent construction for those part of that, the claims of the petitioner should be given to the directed.
Mal,
If my
One-
lord, we
one-
specify the nature of the temporary.
We don't know. You tell us whatever is necessary,
Bamboo.
whatever, bamboo,
My lord.
steel, concrete, whatever you think.
Yes. My lord. Instead of secretary, my lord, the instruction may be issued to deputy commissioner, my lord.
No, secretary
Is the-
panchayat is the authority.
Let him, he's the highest officer,
Highest
let him
authority, let it take a call.
observe and pass an order.
Okay, my lord, your lordship.
Because there are,
Anyways,
there,
against
see, in
the
the
United
absence of the respondents filing their answer,
Well,
they have raised certain doubts, who is in charge,
yes, yes.
who will look into it.
My lord, then my lord, matter may be settled within a
Yes,
specific.
direct.
Yes.
the- This direction be carried out by the respondent number one within a period of 30 days from the date of receiving suspect. Be punished by the
Obliged.
petition according to the census. So, it orders it as not.
My lord,
Then
both
the
the,
highest
both the
officer.
petition,
Same
both
order
the
goes to
petition.
both the-
There are different petitions.
Yes,
Both
similar, my lord, similar,
the petitions that is similar order,
similar. Obliged.
same order.
Same order, same market,
So
my
there,
lord.
there is also an order.
Same
in-
cause of action.
No, no, there is also an earlier order of the court.
Yes,
In
They
the
rely on the
yes,
same order.
yes.